Found a place to get gas, and of course, she decided to go in, but that's okay. I'm on vacation. I'm retired. I'm no longer in a hurry. That seems to be the hardest thing for me, is remembering that I'm not on a schedule and I don't have to be anywhere at any particular time. I don't even have to set a time to be somewhere or a time to leave somewhere. So, just going to take a while to get used to it, but I'll get there. I'm in Sacramento. This is on Harbor Boulevard, and look at that. There's homes. They've got little docks. There was a sign back there too that said they had train rides. Pretty cool. I just pulled off 80 to get gas, and this is the way my RV Garmin has told me to go to get back on the highway. Not that I mind. This is pretty cool. There's somebody out there in a boat. So yeah, that's a nice break from the highway. Orchards out there. Let's see. They look like walnuts. I wanted to show you what just passed me. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know what kind of car it was, but it's a convertible, and it's got this gray bearded guy in it with a black cowboy hat, and oh, he's just having a ball. I am probably about 34 miles from Corning, I believe. Yeah, I think I changed my GPS girl. Anyway, my GPS girl. I can't decide if I want to name her Cat, because I got the cat on the back of the TrailManor, or if I want to name her Contessa, because she really gets irritated when I make her have to recalculate. Anyway, yeah, that car cracked me up. I couldn't get the camera on in time for you to see him as he passed me. It was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. I don't know how he's keeping his hat on. Big old floppy cowboy hat. Anyway, okay, well, there's a big red truck getting ready to pass me, and they still make me a little nervous, so I'm going to shut this off, and I'll check back in a little bit. Toodles. Just past that guy in the red convertible with the cowboy hat, who was pulled off on the side of the road, and of course I couldn't get my camera on quick enough, so I'm thinking maybe he'll pass me up here, and we got car troubles up here, so I don't know. We may or may not get to see him. Looks like traffic's slowing down. Let's see what's happening. I know 2 highway patrols just passed me. So we'll see. Alright, I gotta turn this off and pay attention to my driving. Toodles. Alright, I didn't turn the camera off, but I did pause the recording, so here comes this guy. Watch. See him in the mirror? Check it out. It's pretty funny. Anyway, alright. Back to driving. Oh, first accident of the day. No, not a vehicle accident. I'll show you. Spilt my coffee on my leg. Luckily, it wasn't hot anymore. I've got to figure out how to hook my cam up to the dash so that I don't have to hold it. Oh, look, it's a sunflower field. Wow. one. Trouble is my battery doesn't last too long. But next time I pull off, I'll try and hook it up so I can get some driving footage. Although driving footage to me is kind of boring, but sometimes there are some pretty neat things. I guess I'm going to have to order a new camera because I cannot get this one to plug in the cord that goes into the camera and then into the cigarette lighter. I can't get it to charge off that. So, or even, you know, the cord that plugs into the outlet, it just won't charge. All right, I'm gonna get off here and pay attention to my driving. Yeah, I'm not doing too bad. I mean, it's still, for me, you know, it's still a learning process because of the time I bought that motorhome and drove it from, where was I? Yakima, Klamath Falls. I drove it I drove it to here, no, to that Rolling Hills Casino. It's further up the road. And it was during the Delta fires between Weed and Redding on I-5. And, I mean, there were flames on the side of me. First time driving that thing, I really was a mess. And I did end up selling that thing like I said I was going to. Anyway, so I just wanted to update you. I'm in Williams. Pretty flat. Well, there's mountains over there. I don't know if you can see them. I'll try and show you. No, except for the overpass blocked it. But anyway, it's pretty flat out here right now, but it'll get mountainy pretty quick. Passing a lot of RVs, or they're passing me. They're going that way. Anyway, trucks aren't blowing me around bad at all. I get nervous just because I'm anticipating it. But I'm thinking that, you know, the more I drive, the better it'll get. I'm pretty confident in that. Don't have any plans to stop anytime soon. I have coffee all over my hands from spilling my coffee on my pants, but I can live with that, I guess. Got a little over half a tank of gas, so I'm doing okay. Oh, here's a sign right here. Let's see. It says, I can see it. Maxwell 7 miles, Redding 98. So, I know I said I was going to stop. And try and hook this cam up there. But I think I'm going to wait till I get just below half a tank of gas, and then I'll find a place to stop, get gas. I'll work on this camera, wash my hands,